you're not really treated as a patient. They're aware of you needing treatment or receiving treatment, but you're just treated like family.
Once you're in the cancer center, what you feel is a warm, inviting, more modern environment that is optimized for the patient experience.
WellSpan's approach is the approach we bring to every and all healthcare, but especially for cancer. What we do is bring not just the best care, but the best valued care to our communities, and most importantly, to bring the care to our communities in the way they want, to be inclusive, and to make it safe. We always put quality, safety, best care, and value as our forefront.
The renovations mean to me that we have the opportunity to have a calm and serene environment for these patients to heal. When I first walked through the new unit, it was like everything was so beautifully laid out. The colors were beautiful. They're so calming. We have therapy through art, so we have pictures to help people heal, and when they come in, to relax them so that we can get the best information during our interview process. It allows us to really treat the people optimally close to their home.
There have been countless individuals who have partnered with WellSpan to assure that we can sustain local cancer care to this community. There have been former patients, current patients, families, businesses, and organizations and foundations who have come out in support of this project.
We now have top-of-the-line equipment in their backyard. They do not have to go 20 or 30 miles to receive the kind of a treatment they can receive here.
We are a part of our communities, and we want to bring the best care to our community, not make our community go to that care. So wherever it's safe, wherever we can do that, we try to bring it to our community. That's what Ephrata Cancer Center tries to do, is to bring care to Ephrata and the surrounding areas in the best quality as possible, so our community can do that in the safety and comfort of their homes or communities.
The biggest benefits to the patients of the new renovations are that they will have cutting-edge care right here in their neighborhood. We have treatment planning as well as treatment delivery all in the same beautiful building.